Welcome to MIC 300 Module 2 Study Session 2, talking about staphylococcal infection. Introduction. Staphylococcus is derived from the Greek word staphyli, meaning bunch of grapes. They are gram-positive cocci arranged in cluster. They are referred to as hardy organisms because they can survive many non-physiological conditions. Staphylococci include a major human pathogen and skin commensals. The genus Staphylococcus contains the following species: Staphylococcus aureus, the major human pathogen, Staphylococcus staphylococcus, and Staphylococcus epidermidis. Take a 2. Staphylococcus epidermidis, formerly called Staphylococcus albus, a universal skin commensal. Learning outcomes for study session 2. At the end of this study session, you should be able to do the following: 1. Explain pathogenesis. 2. The pimple and death-inducing bacterium. Pathogenesis. Infections caused by the microorganism may cause an inflammatory response in the host. As a result of inflammation, pus will accumulate. Pus is a mixture of both active and inactive white blood cells, extravascular fluid, and organism. The pimple and death-inducing bacterium. Hospitals are supposed to be a place of refuge, somewhere you go to cure yourself of some kind of ailment. However, many times the place you might want to avoid the most is actually the hospital you need to go to. That's because the hospital is where all sick people are. What more is that there are a lot of really sick or terrible bacteria in the hospitals that are proving extremely difficult to treat. A staph infection. I'm more than sure you've heard of the term staph infection. It is used almost left and right. However, few people know that a staph infection can cause problems ranging from something as innocent as a pimple to something more serious like death. In summary, in this study session, you've learned that pathogenesis is infections caused by the microorganism may cause an inflammatory response in the host as a result of the inflammation. Number 2, the principal and death-inducing bacterium. Hospitals are supposed to be a place of refuge, somewhere you go to cure yourself of some kind of ailment. However, many times the place you might want to avoid most is actually the hospital you need to go to. Thank you. We've come to the end of this study session.